Hey everyone, welcome back to English Hub. We're so happy to have you with us today.
Absolutely. And today, we're going to solve one of the biggest mysteries in English grammar.
Oh no, another grammar mystery?
Yes, but don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you'll say, that was easy.
So, what are we learning today?
Present perfect versus simple past.
Those two can be confusing.
They can, but today we're going to make them simple. Okay, let us see the first one. Simple past. It implies a finished time. We use the simple past when something happened at a finished time in the past. For example, I visited Paris last year. This shows us the action happened in the past and last year is finished.
So I can say, I watched a movie last night.
Exactly. Last night is a finished time. Here are some common expressions. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, 2 days ago. In 2020, when I was a child.
Let me try one. I met my best friend 10 years ago.
Perfect! The time is clearly finished. So let us move on. Number 2, present perfect. It implies for experience or unfinished time.
Now, what about the present perfect?
The present perfect connects the past with the present. The basic structure is have, has plus past participle. Now, let us see a quick example. I have visited Paris.
But when did you visit Paris?
That's the interesting part. With present perfect, the exact time isn't important, or we don't say it. I have visited Paris. It means Paris is part of my life experience up to now.
So I could say, I have eaten sushi.
Exactly. You're saying that sushi is part of your experience?
And if I say, I ate sushi yesterday.
Now you're talking about a specific finished time. This is the golden rule.
So what's the easiest way to remember this?
Remember this. Finished time gives simple past. I saw him yesterday. No specific finished time experience gives present perfect. I have seen him before.
Wow, that's much easier.
Exactly. And here's another pair. I went to London in 2023. I have been to London. The first sentence tells us when. The second tells us about experience.
Okay, Emma. Let's test everyone.
Which one is correct? A. I have visited my grandmother yesterday. B. I visited my grandmother yesterday.
The answer is B.
Yes, because yesterday is a finished time, so we use the simple past.
One more.
I underscore this movie 3 times. If we're talking about your experience and don't give a finished time.
So the answer is, I have watched this movie 3 times.
Excellent! This is a quick reminder. So remember, simple past implies a finished past time. I called her last night. Present perfect implies experience or connection to now without a finished specific time. I have called her before. And don't worry if this feels a little confusing at first.
Exactly. Grammar becomes easy when you see it in real conversations and practice it repeatedly.
And that's exactly what we're going to do in part 2. Welcome back, everyone. Ready for round 2?
I hope so, because now we're taking grammar out of the textbook and putting it into real conversations.
Excellent! No boring grammar rules today.
Exactly. Let's see how native speakers actually use these two tenses.
Okay. 1. Talking about life experiences.
Emma, have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I have traveled to several countries.
Really? When did you go to your first one?
I went to Kenya in 2019.
I see the difference.
Exactly. I have traveled gives general experience. I went gives a specific finished event.
Compare this. I have visited Ethiopia. I visited Ethiopia last year.
The first sentence talks about experience, but the second gives us a finished time. 2. Have you ever? Here's one of the most useful present perfect questions.
Have you ever?
Yes, we use it to ask about someone's experience. For example, have you ever ridden a horse? Have you ever eaten Japanese food? Have you ever spoken English with a native speaker?
And how do we answer?
We could say, yes, I have, or no, I haven't.
But what if I want to give more information?
Then we could switch to the simple past.
Show me.
Have you ever visited London?
Yes, I have.
When did you go?
I went there in 2024.
Brilliant. When we use present perfect, we usually use for the experience.
Then, simple past for the specific event. What about words like just, already, and yet?
Great question. We commonly use them with the present perfect. Just implies something happened very recently,
I have just finished my lunch.
meaning I finished it a very short time ago. Already implies something happened sooner than expected,
She has already left.
yet implies something hasn't happened up to now.
I haven't finished yet. Or have you finished yet?
So if my friend asks, "Have you done your homework yet?"
I can say, yes, I've already done it.
Exactly. This is a very important difference. Let's try something tricky.
What's the difference between, I lost my keys, and I've lost my keys?
Excellent question. I lost my keys. You're simply talking about a past event.
But, I've lost my keys.
Usually suggests that the result matters now. Maybe you're standing outside your house right now saying, "I've lost my keys. I can't get inside."
The past action has a connection to the present.
Exactly.
Let me try this. She broke her phone yesterday. Specific finish time, yesterday.
Simple, past, but she has broken her phone. We don't mention when, and the result is important now. Maybe she's holding a broken phone.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lessons.